And Blizzard Jonas is here. This is a video of where I live at. They're just starting to plow the snow in our parking lot. Just a quick look at the snow so far and the blizzard so far. Alright, so just taking a look outside real quick. Whoa, look at the snow coming in. There it is, guys. Blizzard Jonas hitting Yonkers, New York. Got about a couple inches of snow down here. You can see the snow is coming in. They just did a little bit of plowing. And I'll go outside a little bit later and do some videos. But yep, it is coming down. Yonkers, New York. Alright, so here we are. I'm in Yonkers, walking out. The snow has been shoveled and plowed a couple times here. That's our parking lot. And this is the guy that plows our yard. So yeah, this is it. Winter Storm Jonas still coming down. It's crazy how quiet it gets. It's like you don't hear anything but the snow falling. It's coming down. It's coming down.
I don't know what's going on. Going to stop or what?
I saw you come through so many times and it's...
I cleaned before everything, just for the blower, everything.
Oh,
you enjoy the camera, huh?
Yeah, I was doing a video.
Stay, we'll see how it's here.
Yeah, so this is it. The snow is coming. So I'm gonna try to walk around a little bit. Maybe catch a plow truck or two if I'm lucky. But yeah, this is it. Alright, so it's a lot more worse than I thought it was gonna be out here. It's freezing cold. When I look this way, the snow is like hitting my face so hard. But yeah, this is it. Live from Yonkers. And if you look here, look how high the snow is. That's not even, hasn't been plowed in a little while. My car's down there, it's stuck. I'm not getting out of here no time soon. But it's good, I don't have anywhere to go. just enjoying this weather. Hopefully you guys are gonna enjoy this video. Alright, this snow drift on this sidewalk is crazy. The snow is so high. Just trying to walk around. Yeah, very whiteout conditions. You could barely see anything. Lots and lots of snow coming down. Alright, here we are on North Broadway, which is a main street, so it's pretty much plowed. But still, you can see visibility is really, really low. Snow is really coming down. See somebody with a snow blower down there. Yeah. Here's a Yonkers police car. It was on duty earlier. Has the snow chains on the back tire. Help get through all this crazy weather over here. Ooh, it's coming down. So yeah, this one doesn't have much snow in it, so it's probably just being used. Oh, that snow is cold. It has the snow tires on the back. But yeah, it's buried in there though. Here's our first snowplow video of 2016. It's gonna be Yonkers Department of Sanitation here. Doing it big. Woo. Alright, looks like we got lucky. They're doing a second pass. Alright, we got him twice. This is one of the Yonkers fire stations and one of the police stations. So I figured they would come by here